Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to insert a new record in our table using insert statement in SQL in MySQL Database. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. I am here in my SQL, my PHP, my admin environment. So I'm using SAMP. So make sure that the MySQL server is up and running before you can open this one, and then the Apache web server also. So here I have here a sample database that is demo, and then we have here a table named user. Here I have 4 records. It has the ID of the user, name, and then the age. The last record is with an ID 5 is Jacob Samuel Pomperada, my son, with the age of 6. In this example, I would like to insert another record with an ID of 6 and then the name of my daughter, Juliana Ray Pomperada. So in order to insert a new record in our user table using SQL, simply go to this menu, SQL. Now here we can issue a command, insert into demo values ID of 6 and then the name of the user, Juliana Ray Pomperada, comma, and then the age of 5. Now here I have here several columns, ID, name, and age in our table demo. So here insert, meaning we want to add a new record in our table demo. The name of the table the name of the table is user, not demo. Demo is the database. Values ID with 6 and then the name of the user. In this example, my daughter Juliana Ray Pomperada, and the age of 5. After we have done that, in order to insert, we go to here, click the go button to insert. Now if the new record is successfully inserted in our table user, it will display this message: 1 row inserted, query took around 0.2970 seconds. So if we want to view the newly inserted record, we go to browse, and then we have here the new record of Juliana Ray Pomperada with an ID of 6 and then the age of 5. If we want to view using SQL statement, simply go to SQL, and then here select asterisk from user. So here select means select all the fields, select a particular field, asterisk meaning all the fields from the table user, semicolon, click go button to view all the records. So here we clearly see the newly inserted new record with an ID of 6, Juliana Ray Pomperada with the age of 5. Here we go, we have already done demonstrating on how to insert a record in my SQL database using SQL statement. Before we end, I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. I hope that you have learned something new in this video tutorial. And to my new subscriber, thank you very much, and viewers of my tutorials in my channel for all the support and comments. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.